You know, the biggest thing that really inspired me to go out and start creating different types of supplements and nutrients that can really help people is, you know, a health crisis in my own family. You know, growing up, my mom was always so sick and having so many major health problems that I really noticed that there were just certain things missing in her diet that she wasn't able to get. So our goal at Ancient Nutrition is to create whole food-based nutritional products that contain ancient nutrients, but that are in a modern, simple to consume form that's really gonna help people have the strength, the vitality, the energy of our ancient ancestors. So you know what led to the formulation of one of our flagship products in bone broth protein was I was running a functional medicine clinic in Nashville, and I did bone broth cleanses with a lot of my patients. The problem was compliance. For somebody to go home, make bone broth, it took so much effort and work, they just couldn't do it. And I knew that if my patients could start though getting bone broth in their diet every day, it would change their health forever. So Jordan, I was sharing this information with him, and he had an idea to be able to find a really unique source of bone broth liquid and turn it into a powder in a completely natural way. Well, first off, I went back and I said, what if my mom would have had this? What if some of the other patients I would have taken care of would have had this, and how much more it could have helped them in their health? So for me, I mean, I was just so thrilled and excited because I knew that if we can get this out to, you know, all of these people out there that are suffering with so many different health issues, it could have such a big impact on their health. I think two big things really separate us apart from these other companies. And number one, it's our quality sourcing of ingredients. And number two, it's our really unique innovation. And I'll give you an example of this. Most companies today, when they're putting out a turmeric supplement, they're finding turmeric, putting it in a capsule, and then just marketing it up to sell it as a supplement. For us, we really know that according to medical research in ancient Ayurveda that's been around almost 4,000 years, that when you consume turmeric by itself, you absorb very little of it. And so what we've done is we'll take that turmeric and then we'll ferment it. When you ferment something, you create completely new compounds, can have different benefits. And so that's what we'll do with the turmeric. In addition to that, we'll then follow the ancient Ayurvedic recipe. We'll take turmeric, black pepper, long pepper, and ginger. When you combine those unique herbs with turmeric, clinical studies show it supports absorption. It does something completely different in your body and can be more beneficial. The other thing is we know that it needs healthy fats, certain oils. So we've used certain essential oils and fatty acids, combining that with the turmeric and the warming spices to create the ultimate turmeric powder. And that's just one example. I mean, you'll see anytime Jordan and I are formulating anything, we say to ourselves, how do we create something that's the best in the world and that's gonna have a greater impact on someone's overall health? And also, these are products that I use myself every day. Jordan uses, his 6 kids, my wife. So I really care an extreme amount about what goes into the products, how they're created, they're formulated, and consumed. I wanna see more families using our products because I know that if families, whether it's, you know, a mom or dad or kids, can start using these products on a daily basis, it's gonna radically change their health.